Ne jucăm cu plastilina de la bunica Mariana.
Da.
Ce culoare sunt bananele? Ce aici?
Pătătălii.
Galben. Da? Hai pune galben în... Uite
Dar
aici.
vin acum. Pink. Pink. Up.
Nu cu dinții, te rog. Lasă așa.
Hei, nu. Nu se bine.
charge of their own security. We came out of the cities, and the trend since then have actually been moving in a
La ca să fac foame.
Nu trebuie să fac banane?
Nu fac foame.
Uite.
Nu foame.
Bine, fă forme.
Nu, asta e.
O să fac un pic de loc.
Fac pink-ul ăsta.
Am înțeles.
those troops in Afghanistan, we get down to 50,000, we'll be in a position to start to create more time in between the
Și ce faci acolo? Ce formă e aia?
O văd cu o pisicuță.
Marine Corps. And so I see over the next couple of years an ability to get to a point where we're home twice as long as we are deployed. So right now, as far as troop numbers are concerned, I'm comfortable. Clearly there is linkage, but we're not coming out of Iraq so we can support Afghanistan. Right now, the plans that we have, we can do both.
Let me ask about Afghanistan. You have an important vote coming up on Capitol Hill soon that will continue funding each war. Some resistance even from Democrats who some went over. Nancy Pelosi said in a recent interview she's not altogether sure.
Trebuie să le mai presezi așa. Că presezi așa, ai mai mult.
Așa. Nu vine?
Mai trebuie un pic, cred. Și vezi că e invers, nu?
A few weeks ago, and we had a very, very positive visit with him. And what came out of that visit, from my perspective, and I spent a fair amount of time with him and his ministers, was a commitment to a strategic partnership and the evolution of this partnership. And President Karzai knows very clearly what he needs to do with respect to corruption. And he has taken some steps in my interaction, not just with him, but
Stai un pic, ca să presăm un pic înainte de a pune. Să presăm, să facem una așa, da?
E bine?
Hai să întoarcem și invers. Ia vezi acum. Apeși bine, da?
Did the move on Marjan take longer than you thought it would in your unpleasant?
Ce ai făcut?
O pisicuță, mami. Uite, o pisicuță.
Which is the piece you set up after you provide security has been a bit more challenging, but